Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is a room walkthrough for Dreams Las Mareas in Costa Rica. Our stay was June 2022. This spacious room included a king bed. It's a swim out suite. Right here is our water closet. Right next to that is a stand-in shower with a rain water head, shower head. I can see the whole city from this balcony. Back in 2019, I was outside freely, but now they got it out. This room has double sinks and includes various toiletries. It also includes a scale and a hairdryer below. Plenty of storage. The resort offers 2 robes and an umbrella, slippers, and it also includes a steamer, which work great. They provide hangers, extra bed linen, and a safe.
Are you ready? Yes, I am. They say you a superstar now, damn.
On both sides of the bed, they had outlets for your cell phones and everything you need at night.
Go ahead and get undressed. I am. Okay, cool. You on Sunset? I'm about to slide, okay. I'm outside, okay. This lifestyle don't got many downsides.
There's also a mini fridge which they stock daily with water, pop, and beer. They also stock M&Ms, Pringles, and rum and coffee daily. A decent sized TV, a table with 2 chairs, which was really nice when you order room service. And then out on the patio, we were in building 6. We had the swim out suite, and it included tables and chairs. This building was great to see monkeys. If you're into that kind of thing, they would come right up to us. I hope you enjoyed our video. Thank you.